Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making sure the workbook is ready. Enable Data Analysis Tool Pack and Power Query. Next, import your data, CSV or database, and load it to a table. Once loaded, standardize column types, dates as date, numbers as number. Then remove blank rows and irrelevant columns so formulas run fast. This initial structure prevents errors later. It also makes pivots and queries predictable. Now that the table is clean and typed, save a version before you transform anything. Once the table is clean, open Power Query to perform deterministic transforms. Split columns, merge tables, pivot or unpivot records, and filter out noise. Each step is recorded. Back in the sheet, add calculated columns using XLOOKUP or index/match for robust joins and SUMIFs for conditional totals. Create a pivot table to aggregate, group dates by month or quarter, and include calculated fields. Finally, add slicers and conditional formatting to highlight outliers. To finish, validate by reconciling key totals and spot-checking records. Make sure sums match source files and data types remain consistent. Then design charts or a dashboard, annotate assumptions, and save a version copy. Export a PDF for sharing. Automate refresh with Power Query or a simple macro, but always back up before running macros. If calculations are wrong, check for hidden filters, mismatched data types, or duplicate keys. Fix those first. Then refresh the model and rerun the pivot or query.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.